Hey guys, it's Hummuh. So I've had this 98 Corvette for about 8-9 months now. And in those 8-9 months, I know that I myself have driven it pretty hard. I think I need new tires.
So gone.
And I know that the previous owner drove it like every day 40 miles at 120 miles an hour to work and back. So I know that this thing has been abused, and I think that my transmission might be going out. So on my way home from work today, it started acting up. It's been kind of acting up for the past couple days. First feels kind of a little funny, and if it's cold, it'll shift through all the gears. But if I like romp on it, then it like stays in second, like it stays like it's missing overdrive or something. And so on my way home from work today, it's like shutting down completely. It's just it won't even shift into third. So I also have no idea where the transmission fluid level is. I have no idea because there's not a dipstick for it. You have to hop on a lift and have the car running and stuff, and so I am gonna check that before I call it quits. And I do have some transmission, some of that Lucas Oil transmission stuff, so we'll throw some of that in there, see if that helps it. I don't know. Okay, so here is what it's doing. First gear, fine. Shifts into second. Feels kind of funny. And then no shift. Nothing. And then even second gear, it feels kind of like it's not shifting, or it feels like it's slipping a little bit. And so I have no idea. So I'm gonna go home, put it on the lift, and we'll see what the fluid level looks like. This car is too dang low for this lift. Frick! Ta-da! Okay, so there's very obvious signs that something is leaking. Everything is covered in filth from the transmission back. And so I don't know if it's diff fluid or if it's tranny fluid. So the diff does look like it's leaking a lot of it. So maybe, I guess we'll find out, huh? So here is the plug. That is the only thing that you have to use to check your transmission fluid, and you have to be checking it while the motor is running, so that's kind of annoying.
I can climb up there.
Okay, so we lowered it a little bit for you. You're gonna drop it off the lift? I hope not. Wow, good stretch. No, the door is not gonna pop off.
Are you serious? Are you sure?
I promise that door is not gonna pop off if you.
Wait, is it on the door?
Oh my gosh, 100 pounds! Holy cow! Holy cow! Good job. Okay, now start it up. Okay, so you have to shift it into first. Give it a little bit of revvage. So shift it into second now. Give it a little bit of revvage. Oh, forgot that was on there. Screw me. Now I need to set him down. Okay. So now whoa, watch out, those tires are spinning. Hope I don't smear my head off. Okay, hopefully this does not shoot piping hot fluid all over me, because it might. Okay, so far so good. Okay, now we've got this thing. How am I supposed to put it up? This is gonna be annoying. Okay, so I rigged up this like tube thingy to be able to get it in there. I think it's taking as much as it's gonna take. Okay, so I get the idea that the fluid is not low. It took hardly any of that. So, hi bud. Yeah, I don't think it's low on tranny fluid. Let's take it off the lift and see if that did anything. Okay, so after the fluid level change, we got second. And third is nowhere to be seen. So, and it really does, when I romp on it like that, it feels like the tranny's slipping, so I think it's toast. Bummer. Guess I'll take it to a shop, see what they say. Okay, so we took the Corvette to the transmission shop, and here is what they came back with. Test drove and inspected, found problem to be internal to the transmission requiring overhaul or replacement. Overhaul estimated at $4,000 to $4,500. So I figured that it was going to be this much to get the transmission either rebuilt or replaced. So in the meantime, I've been looking, and I actually found two separate ads for some C5 Corvette transmissions. One of them came out of a 2002 Corvette, and that one had 80,000 miles on it when it was taken out. But that one is a 6-speed manual, and my car's an automatic. And so he said he has most of the stuff to get the swap done, but I mean, more than most likely, it's going to be another $1,000 worth of parts to get that 6-speed swapped over. Plus, it's probably going to be a giant pain in the butt. So the other ad that I found is actually a direct replacement out of the same exact year Corvette, 98. And that one's got 85,000 miles on it. And that one, it would come with a rear diff, a transmission, and a torque converter. And I talked him down to $500 for the whole thing. And so that one makes a lot more sense. It's going to be a direct replacement, easy, quick swap. And so I think I'm going to buy that one and do the swap myself. So these guys are in Vegas. So this weekend is LS Fest in Vegas. And so we're going to go pick up that transmission, and we're going to go to LS Fest, me and my family. And so we're going to get some awesome coverage of Cletus and Cars and Hoonigan all doing their burnouts and some of the drifts, some of the off-road jumps, and see what awesome LS swapped cars are there. So watch for that video. That'll come out here shortly. Oh my gosh.
Dang.
Pretty close, baby.
Dang.